Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download the ChatGPT app. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to go to your Apple Store, your Play Store. Then you have to search for here at the top for the ChatGPT. Okay, you search for Chat GPT. So here we can see here we have the two type of here we can see other things also. So the original app is this, you can see. So to check that, you will just see here ChatGPT by OpenAI. So if you scroll down, we can see the data security and many ratings also. Okay. So to install, we have to just go up and click on these install button. Okay. After that, it will be installed within a minute. Okay. So here we can see it is like installing. It's a 13 MB app, so you can directly install it and you can use it. So this is how to install and download the ChatGPT app. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.